Right, so this is student success tips. And so once again, the school district we're going to be modifying this document for is the Sierra Pacific Community College District. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first two's been done. So now we want to review and delete the selected comments and track changes. So we're going to change the display for review um, to all markup. So go to the review tab and then go to, I believe, tracking. So let me kind of, okay. And so the comments is on the right. So yeah, so let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so that way we can see the comments of the document. And then I'm going to zoom in to kind of show you where you can find the all markup. So it's under tracking. And when you click on the tracking, it's going to create a drop-down menu. And it's already set to all markup, so I don't need to change it. But if it's on something else like simple markup, make sure you select all markup. So that's done. Let me go ahead and zoom out. Read the comments at the top of the document and then delete it. So the comments is over on the far right. For me, I kind of use my horizontal scroll bar. I click on it. I don't know how SIMnet judge you whether you read it. So the best way to do that is to click on the comment and then delete it. So the way to do that is to click on the three dots and then hit delete thread. Um, let's go ahead and ignore that. Find the first track change in the document. So the way to do that is to let me go ahead and zoom in. Click changes and then select the next button. And then you can see you can click on it here. I think, or you can just click on it. Let me try it. Yeah, or you can just click on it. So there's two ways to do it. Let me go ahead and zoom out. You can either click next or previous, yeah, um, to select the first change. I think, but it's just easier if you just click on the first change and then reject the change. So you can either right click on it and then hit reject changes, or you can go up here and hit reject. So that's gone. Review the changes in the document and then accept all changes. Not sure how SIMnet tracks whether you revealed it. Um, Either you can just scroll down to the document, but the best way to do it is kind of like hit next on the track changes, because then you actually go through each change. And then once you go back to the top, I'm sure that's how SIMnet records the fact that you reviewed all the changes. Then click on changes again. So let me go ahead and zoom in. And then click on accept, and then you want to select accept all changes. All right, so let me go ahead and zoom out. All right, so now we're in step 4. Part A is asking us to apply the title style to the title. Okay, that makes sense. So let's go ahead and select that. And let's go to the Home tab, Styles, Title. Okay, that's easy. Now we want to apply the heading 1 style to all the bold headings. Um, There's a fast way to do this, so let me go, and it's easier if you have a mouse. I notice for some students who have a touchpad on a laptop, it's a little bit trickier. So the easy style is to first find the bold headings. So the bold headings: time management, minimize task anxiety, goal setting, and that's it. Yep. So you want to apply the heading 1 style. So the way to do this is instead of selecting and then selecting heading 1 for each bold headings, you can just do it for the first heading. And then let me go ahead and zoom in. If you go, if you on the clipboard section, you notice there's this paint brush. It's actually the format painter. So I'm going to click on that. And then you notice now my cursor has a paintbrush next to it. And make sure that the first heading is still selected. And then go to the next heading and then select that. And there it is. It easily switches it to heading 1 without me having to go back to styles and selecting heading 1. So, oh, um, what I didn't do is I should have double clicked it. So I'll show you that one for 4C. So since um, it's already reset, I'm just gonna do it the slow way, which is not really slow, but select the goal setting and then select heading 1. And that's it. So yeah, since there's only 3, the format painter is really not that useful, but for the next one, because we're applying heading 2 style to the underlined headings, you can see there's quite a lot of underlined headings. So this is where it's good to use the format painter. And then let me show you the mistake I made the first time. So once again, select the underline, go to styles. This time we want heading 2. On the format painter, you want to double click it. That way it stays locked. So what that means is if I select the next one, it changes this to heading 2. It changes it to heading 2. So I locked it so that it won't just format it once. So there you go. So I'm going to keep looking for underline headings. Test anxiety. Okay, physical signs of test anxiety. Yeah, you're not going to have that in this course. We don't have any tests. The immediate environment. Distracting noise. The funny thing is, I like noise in the respect of I tend to do well with music playing in my background. But yeah, I guess for a test, you want to be able to focus on it. All right, so you can kind of see how much easier it is to use a format painter instead of selecting multiple times and going back to styles and selecting heading 1. So, all right, so this completes my intro to the independent project. So hopefully this gives you the kind of the confidence to complete the rest on your own. And it's always good to reference what the final document should look like. So here they only show you the first 4 of 7 pages. So it looks like we're going to have to create a cover page, insert a table, and then you can kind of see what we've done so far on the second 2 and 3rd pages, or 3 and 4 page. Okay? Thank you for watching, and good luck.